you been? Hope you are happy, healthy and safe and enjoying your vacations and study well. So let me introduce first. I am Pulinderjit Kaur, your teacher from Government Elementary School, Tirekot. So let's start today's online morning assembly. First of all, today is Wednesday and today is 26th May 2021. And which is the day of the year today? Today is 146th day of the year. And how many days are left? 219 days are left. So let's start with today's beautiful thought of the day. And beautiful thought of the day is save water and save trees. So dear all, as we all know that water is an elixir of life. We can live without food, but we can't live without water. Our earth is also 70% of our earth is covered with water, and our body also contains near about 70% of water. And this shows the importance of water in our life. So we should use wisely and we should not waste it because it is a natural resource and we should conserve our natural sources. And same is with trees. Trees are the most essential elements of our green infrastructure, which provides many benefits to us and to our planet. And most of all, 70% of our earth is covered with trees, but less is desert. So we need to grow more and more trees, and we should also grow those trees which need less water, because trees gives us many benefits. It purifies air. We can't live without air more than 4 seconds. So it clean and purify our air, which is essential for us and which is essential for all the living beings on this planet. So always try to grow more and more trees. Save water, save trees for the benefit of all living beings. So next move questions of knowledge and science, and first question is, where is Parliament House situated? Yes, Parliament House is in New Delhi. And second question is, in which city of Punjab is the Anglo-War Memorial? So students, Anglo-War Memorial is in Firozpur city. And third question is, what is the freezing point of water? Freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius, means where water converts into ice. And fourth question is, how many tens are there in 100? So in 100 there are 10 tens. And fifth and last question is, how many rivers flow in existing Punjab? At present there are 3 rivers, Satluj, Ravi and Beas. So let's move your interesting question, and it is, which word starts with E, ends with E and has a E letter in it? What is it? Guess? Yes, it is envelope. Envelope. So let's move ahead with today's words for practice. And today's first word is cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. And second word is better. B-E-T-T-E-R, better. Third word is bitter. B-I-T-T-E-R, bitter. Fourth word is bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. And last word is little. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. So students, learn and practice these words and also write at least 2 sentences of each word. And thank you so much.